I feel like you're letting a stranger drive your car. Wow, you're really tall. I can barely touch the pedals.
So like you literally take them off with like this. Yeah.
Let her rip.
Yeah. Hit it.
No.
At least accelerate a little bit.
Happy?
No, I'm actually nervous. Perfect. Whoa. Remember, don't slam on the brakes.
I'm not slamming on the brakes. That was not a slam. That was a gentle caress of the brake.
Okay. Feels kind of pimp to be in the passenger seat.
Yeah, a little passenger princess action.
Yeah.
You're welcome. I should do a little of this.
It's supposed to go on my thigh, actually.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Your car sounds like it's breaking.
It's just extended frame, so like,
Oh.
you know. Huh?
We can go back to Target.
Yes. You want my jacket?
What is it? Your Corvette. I see them.
Eyes on the road.
I forgot they didn't have stop signs.
I think you're just nervous.
I never come from this
What was
way.
that?
Oh, you have low gas.
Oh. There's worse things that can pop up. Imagine like the check engine light came on while you're driving. That'd be funny.
I'd be so annoyed with you. I would absolutely be positive that you set something off. Me too. I have a little group.
Wow, what kind of car is this?
It's hers. What is it?
What is it?
She doesn't know. It's a Zimmer Mustang.
That's sweet.
Thank you.
Pretty awesome.
Thank you. I like your truck.
I forgot what it was.
Really put you on the spot there.
What is it?
Clip farming.
What is it? I don't know. It feels
Big Daddy,
feels
Big
like I'm
Pickup.
driving a normal car.
How?
I don't know.
No, it doesn't. You're lying. Just checking.
What do you want me to say? This is the longest car I've ever driven.
Yeah. Those kind of compliments are good. I definitely won't let you go on the highway because that would be stressful
For you?
for you.
For you?
Well, yeah, for
Not
me.
for me.
For me, a lot. You realize if you like break this car, I can't replace it. Did you know this is the last one they made? Very collectible, very rare.
No, I don't know anything about cars.
Oh, okay.
I just drive them.
Well, anyway,
I
so
just
it's a
drive them really well.
So anyway, it's a 2013 Mustang,
Mm-hmm.
right? Zimmer Mustang. What was that?
Sick nasty, brother.
Don't do that again. I almost hit someone else. Reprimanded. What did you say?
Just be careful.
Ah. Careful now.
That was my bad.
Dude, you're already
This is
getting
my
us.
blind
You're already
spot.
getting us into like road rage incidents. Take
Road
a right.
rage?
Or don't take a right. Take
Okay,
a right.
well you can do
Take
a
a
little
right at the next
before.
one. She was so pissed. This is awesome. You need to drive this more. You're already getting the public mad. Hey, thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah. Yeah. A lot of people don't know I'm from Minnesota. It's actually her car now.
Right?
Yeah.
I took that one too.
Oh, yeah. Good. That's all that matters. Either clapping.
See?
Look at you getting the wave down.
Look at that. People clap at me. I'm such a good driver.
I don't get clapped at.
Yeah, because you're a badge.
At the end, I'm gonna put the "Do you want to hang out?" And you say no, and then you get out. I was hoping that's what you were gonna say.
Of course you know what I'm saying.
Kind of hurt my shoulder. Okay, here. So, how'd it go? Thoughts? Besides being cool.
I don't know, you're the one who does this. How'd I do?
Kind of too well, actually. Kind of boring.
I'm boring?
Not personality-wise, but like driving capabilities.